hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Jamaica, we are begging for peace. We are begging to fix up with sweet Jamaica and stop killing off the family them down there. Cause Jano, Jamaica government. Yeah man, and them we are talking. You don't like to see people pick this suffer. Them see one, set on vampire. Jamaica! Make the Prime Minister, the opposition leader, and all of them politicians there. Get the one that Jimmy crazy. Oh no, vampire. Fix back Jamaica. Oh no, vampire. Fix back Jamaica. You know Jamaica? Jamaica be fixed. Cause we island rich. Jamaica be fixed. Cause we no need politics. Jamaica, here we know. Long time we know Portia Simpson a witch. Don't like that man named Andrew Holness. Neither the one named Peter Phillips. They mash up Jamaica and they trace like bitch. A long time we know say PJ him a snitch. Him sell out Jamaica but not the saltfish. The one bad secret, she a real hypocrite. And she make gunman and all Cuba get fixed. They sell out Jamaica just now we cockpit. Jamaica crime rate and sky's the limit. And make we claim these nowadays artists. We turn all the youth them in a killer and snitch. And turn all the girl them in a bitches and witch. A long time we a DJ from them boy they a chick. From them father you go back them fit. You walk up in a crazy a brick while you hit. You think a little boy can try to price this. And make me get mad and go on to split. And make me get mad and me head get sick. And trouble to me crazy and put in life at risk. Say hey SpongeBob go and go check Patrick. Uno vampire. It's back Jamaica. Uno vampire. Fix back Jamaica. Yeah, you know Jamaica. Hear me? You have some police we are contract killer. We kill people picking for $1,000. They kill them for Nike or a film. You have some police we are informer. You have some police work with your leader. And some of them are super inspector. We call new links and rapper crapper. And expose them on social media. And some me find no for them a hacker. They can't even come on the X Factor. You know Jamaica? Who vampire? Back Jamaica. Uno vampire. Fix with Jamaica. You know them do Jamaica. You know them do them. Sell out with country to be a Chinese. Them build the road, we not see a factory. They charge on the road, we got charge with a fee. We drive on the road, we have to pay them a fee. Pin your mouth, we dog them a halfway tree. How will we are going to get back with country? Jamaica.
No man, so see the people, the artist goes by the name of Jimmy Crazy. Get me? Yeah, and him say, I want Jamaica for fix, him want with island rich. You don't know people, this is his views, you know what I mean? So, uno can, you know what I mean, leave on a comment, share it up and everything, and remember to look out for greatness and more things from the artist, because at the end, for the man say I want Jamaica for fix, don't know what's a new link there with that, because we always say we want better for it, Jamaica. So don't know the thing, I'm a viewers, I'm a subscribers, this is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. Remember, subscribe, hit that notification bell icon. After you subscribe, so as New Link drop the video, you will get them pop up on your phone or anything where you use. Get me as a people, enough love, enough respect, peace. We want Jamaica for fix, straight up. You don't know what's the artist name, Jimmy Crazy.
Maga do ya know? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link, attack, attack, attack.